and as y'all can see by the title, I'm about to be doing something a little bit different, and that is the slime making video. So if you guys don't know how to make slime, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make some slime yourself. Now I'm gonna be using the Nickelodeon CRA-Z-ART slime kit, and so let's just get into making some slime. Okay guys, so the first step says you gotta put 15 ml of white glue, and I'm gonna be doing one at a time because I want to make two colors of the scented. Ooh, they smell so good, you guys. They smell really, really good. So now I'm gonna pour the stuff in this where it says 15 ml. That's where I'm gonna stop. So, okay, so here's ml, and I'm gonna pour. This is gonna be really fun, you guys. I gotta wait. Almost there. Okay guys, so the next step says you gotta put 30 ml of water into your glue, and I'm gonna be doing it at the same time. So 1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! I'm about to put 1 spoon of blue and pink scented paint. Oh, this one smells like blueberry, and this one smells like strawberry. These smells really good. So I gotta open them. So lastly, I'm going to be putting 5 ml of this activator, and I'm going to stir it around, mix it up with my hands a little bit, and I'm going to see some slime. So I will see you guys shortly. And voila, we have some slime. So here's how it looks. It feels great. It stretches really nice. It's really, really squishy. And maybe I'll do another video by myself, but not with the kit, so I can make it bigger. And so yeah, this is what the slime looks like. We got a blue one and a pink one. And yeah, so you guys, this was really fun. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't tried this video already, please comment down below, and I'll probably leave a description in the box telling you how other ways to make slime. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.